In today's video, I'm going to teach you moving and rotating objects. We'll cover the essentials of positioning items in your scene using the move and rotate tools so you can place things quickly and precisely. Let's start with moving. To access the move tool, click the move icon in the toolbar or press the E key on your keyboard. You'll see a gizmo appear on the selected object. If you simply click the object and drag, you can move it freely in any direction. This is great for rough placement or when you just want to get something generally where it needs to go. When you need more control, use the colored arrows of the gizmo. Drag the red, green, or blue arrow to move the object along the X, Y, or Z axis, respectively. This constrains the motion to a single direction, which helps avoid accidental shifts on the other axes. If you find the object snapping too loosely or drifting, hold the Shift key while you drag. This snaps the movement to predefined increments, giving you predictable steps for clean alignment and consistent spacing. A helpful workflow is to free move to get close, then constrain to an axis and use snapping to dial in the final position. If you want a quick duplicate while moving, hold the Control key and drag one of the move handles. This creates a copy and moves it in one fluid action. It's an efficient way to build repeating elements without breaking your flow. Now let's rotate. Click the Rotate tool in the toolbar or press R. The gizmo switches to a rotation sphere with colored rings. To rotate freely, click and drag anywhere on the sphere. This allows you to spin the object without locking to a specific axis and is handy for organic adjustments. For precise orientation, click and drag one of the colored rings to rotate around a specific axis. This isolates rotation to X, Y, or Z, preventing unwanted tilts. As with moving, you can hold Shift while rotating to snap to fixed increments, such as every 5 degrees. Use free rotation to get close, then axis rotation with snapping for exact angles. A few quick tips to keep you efficient. Zoom in for better handle control, switch camera views if a handle is occluded, and keep an eye on the numeric readouts if your app shows them. If something doesn't respond, make sure the object is selected and that you're grabbing the correct handle. With these techniques, you'll place and orient objects with confidence and speed.